Guys, I just discovered a game changer for getting content ideas on YouTube. No more guesswork for you guys, no more constant headaches. Let YouTube do the job for you. Let me show you how. So guys, all you need to do is to log onto your YouTube studio, go to your search bar and go to studio.youtube.com and log onto your channel. When you log onto your channel, check at the left hand side and then make sure you're clicking on content. Under content, click on the first option, which is inspiration. Now when you're under inspiration, just take a look at this, guys. Under inspiration, as you can see, ideas for your next video channel is already showing you topics already, like different ideas that are trending that is inspired by my own channel. So it will show you ideas inspired by your own channel. But here is where it gets interesting. You come onto this, enter your topic. If you have a specific topic you want to talk about, or you can input your niche idea. So something like me now, let me put digital marketing, and then you click on get suggestions. So it's going to take a couple of seconds and it's going to draft out different ideas I can talk about. So you can see it's giving me ideas already: ethical AI and digital marketing, future of voice, SEO optimization. So just click on the one you're interested in and it's going to shape out the whole idea for you, from how you can optimize it to the hook idea of the video, to the outline, thumbnail, titles and related videos to give you more ideas about it. If you can see here, it's also giving you more directions that you can take to refine the idea. Isn't this amazing, guys? You can give it the different style that you want. If you want a tutorial or something, just give it and then it's going to develop it for you. And then once you're done, just click on save. It's going to save it under your ideas and you can go back to it and always utilize it when you're ready to create a video. Isn't this amazing, guys? If you found this helpful, don't forget to click on that subscribe, turn on your notification. Let me know what you think in the comments and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.